Yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
This is Nanette.
And Helen.
And welcome to the Nanette and Helen Show. Woo! Yeah, so we want to say happy early Valentine's Day. Actually, it is Friday the 13th.
Happy birthday, Jason.
Jason's birthday. My bad. Jason, I love you.
I wonder when it's Freddy's birthday.
But anyways, we want to say happy birthday and happy Valentine's Day. And this video is actually dedicated to one of my best friends, which is Julian. Funny story actually. I got a new ringtone today. It's kind of like it's Crazy Frog, and he's kind of like doing something. But yeah, so I heard the ringtone and I was like, who does this remind me of? And I quickly thought of Julian. Julian, if you're watching this, I love you.
I don't love you because I don't know you. Sorry, Julian, but I'll love to get to know you. Okay, I could get in trouble for that. I take it back.
Yeah, you could. Okay. But anyways, you gotta call me every single day to put a smile on my face. So, here's your ringtone.
I feel like a thoughtful look.
Oh, yo, remember that video that I sent you?
Oh, yeah. Look, guys.
So this
I'm
is
a
the song.
Songgg.
So this is the ringtone. Enjoy. Hopefully you call me every single day now.
So she can masturbate on her phone.
Yes. Oh God. And Julian, why'd you suck my balls?
You have balls? Hey, look, I look cross-eyed.
That's a mommy. Look at the little TV strings. Look right there. You see them?
Well, I'll let you guys go. Peace.
This is Nanette.
This is Helen. And the peace is dedicated to Julie. Peace, Julie. Peace, Nanette and Helen.
I love you.
Helen. That's Helen.
No. Helen. Okay. Well, peace. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you guys enjoy it with your loved ones. And peace. Love you guys. Love you, Julian.
Love you, Julie.